I'm gonna ask you for, as I look around here and I look out at the park, and I've been to a lot of events, and we gotta admit that this is one of the most wonderful events. You know, we might not be happy now, but there aren't too many people catering for us. There aren't too many people playing music for us. So let's work with it, because trust me, I know it costs a lot to get in, but it also costs a lot more to put it together. We have lots of show left, but I do want to give somebody this wonderful basket. So I'm going to ask my lovely bunny lady here to do a drawing for us. At least give the guy a round of applause. Clap him, man. On the one, so clap the man. We need money, Grandma, so we're going to start taking names, and next time I'm going to try to send money to Jamaica. No, it not go so. Hey, a 3 baby mother of Jamaica me support now, through MoneyGram. So clap me. Okay. There we go. The lucky winning ticket is, can you read the name? No, I can't read, me literate. Shabada, my father. Diana Maynard is the lucky winner. Diana Maynard is the lucky winner. The ticket number is 228-6029. 228-6029. Meet us at the MoneyGram booth. And people, me no understand, but get the people in my blind. Trust me. Trust me. Ladies and gentlemen, clap for yourself. That's okay. Bless up.
Thank you very much, Mr. Patrick Buddington. Once again, we'd like to say thanks to all the sponsors who made this happen. Our presenting sponsors, the Door Restaurant. Gotta say thanks to Nutriment. Thanks to Grace Food, Fly Jamaica, Sour Owls, the Jamaica Tourist Board, Jamaica National, La Parkin Shipping, TD Bank. Wicon came all the way from Jamaica, Lasco MoneyGram, AARP, Caribbean Food Delights, Boom, yes, and True Juice. Gotta say thanks to Golden Crust, the Smokehouse Restaurant, Kingston Corner Shop, Groovin Radio, TC Tropical, and Toyota. Ladies and gentlemen, each and every year we try to improve this particular event because we realize that first-class concerts are not held in our community. They're generally held in Manhattan and Brooklyn. So ladies and gentlemen, we did our best, and I hope, yes, I hope that we can make it up to you one day. I am going to introduce my next MC, who will do the honors in introducing R. Kelly. She is indeed a veteran journalist. And when I say veteran journalist, she's not an old person, but she has been on radio for quite some time. The mere fact that this past week we lost Gabe Pressman from NBC, man who spent some 60 years covering the city. He's known as the first journalist to cover the entire New York City. So when we say we have someone who's a veteran journalist, someone who has paid their dues, ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and talented Miss Ann Tripp from 107.5 WBLS.
Hey everybody. Hi, how you doing? Yeah, you know, when I do the news, it's not all good. So some things are not all good, but we're so glad that you came out. And I know we were talking about some of the sponsors as we set up the stage, and I just want to mention a few of them. And the food is so good. Have you had the food yet? Yeah. Oh my God, I had some goat. Oh my God. I fell in love with the chef. I mean, he wouldn't marry me, but I thought, you know, I could make myself available because I can't cook. But we have some great sponsors, food vendors. We got the Breeze Island Grill, Seaside Jerk, Jamaican Food, Mama's Cooking, Paulette Delight Meats, Corner Grill Restaurant, Steve's Original, not Steve Harvey, he can't cook. Steve Harvey's, Virgin Delight Juices, Yogi's Restaurant Incorporated, Original Snow Cone, Food Are Us. We got Royal Caribbean Bakery, of course. Uncle Oscar, Vegan's Delight, Yardies, okay, that sounds good, Caribbean Corn, Original Roast Corn, Juice, Mystic Lemonade, and Original Blend. But if you look to your left and you look to your right, you can see so many things, tropical products, Original Snow Cone, Lara's INT'L, Fruit, Johnny Cheesecake, Valsi Decor, Rootsman, a lot of good food and a lot of good sponsors. Okay. All right, so we're down here grooving in the park, and we're going to have some more groovy music for you. It's packed. I can see a sea of people, including my banker out there somewhere. But I want to just big up everybody here who came, all the public service workers, all the people who work in hospitals like my mother, a nurse, all the police officers, no matter what you do, no matter where you came from, we love you and we thank you for supporting us here in Groovin' in the Park. The show will continue.